What's up, guys? Welcome to Charts and Coffee. It is Wednesday, June 18th. Going to take a look at the markets here a couple hours before they open. I got Bitcoin up on the screen. We've been talking about this for a really honestly, before we even got up here, we were talking about an ABC. That's what we're in the process of, guys. I do think we're going to take that low out. We talk about it every day on the channel. Came back up on that last move into those retracement levels, hit the 786 perfectly and rolled over. I don't think the downside is done here. I do think it's going to keep coming. So as for alts, I mean, the highest probability is that the alts are going to bleed a little bit as well. Looking at Bitcoin right here, pretty high sell volume yesterday. And then the RSI here, well below 40, and it has been for a while, since like back here up at 109K. Pretty much just been consolidated, but still down a little bit along the way. So negative momentum still increasing yesterday, today. This is still showing signs that it's going to come down further. So with that being said, odds are, guys, it's going to be some kind of news narrative, something related to that. Let's just hope this thing happens fast, man. Let's get it over with quick. Let's get a wick down there, and then let's talk about the fun stuff. But yeah, I mean, that's still what I think is going on here. So if it decides it wants to rip and go the other way, and it's more of like a 1-2, and then we're on wave 3 of that, go ahead, go for it, man. I'm down. But I do think Bitcoin's going to come back down into this area. Bitcoin dominance still going, man. I've been pretty firm on my call that that's the top, but I'm running out of room here. Let's see. I'm sticking with my conviction that that's going to be the top, but we are definitely, definitely getting close. If it sets another high there, it sets another high. We'll go back to the drawing board on the larger time frame count. But for the time being, still looks like we're in a fifth wave and consolidate here. Let's see a little bit of and consolidating. Let's see, we're up in bullish. I don't know why that's there. We're up in bullish territory above the 60 line. So if it waddles up here, that would mean that this price is going to keep going up. Not price, the dominance is going to keep going up. Pretty indecisive though on momentum. I mean, kind of all over the place. If we look at these bars, increasing positive, decreasing positive, increasing positive. So let's see, the RSI is up at 93 and 90. Maybe we end up seeing a little bit of relief come in, which means the alts get some relief. So going back to this, again, maybe we don't go down in a straight line. Maybe this thing comes up a little bit first, right? We get a little bit of relief into the 106s, 107, and then it comes back down. But based on where we're at, it looks like there could be a little bit more downside first. So say all that to say this, we just got to see how it shakes out here for Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum, also super low, similar spot as Bitcoin when it comes to the RSI and stuff. But still holding this level, staying relatively flat. We're seeing some volatility. We're seeing some wicks in here. Yeah, this is probably too small on your phones. Seeing some volatility, seeing some wicks in here, but still holding this so far. Total 3. Yep, I mean, we're expecting Bitcoin to drop. Still coincides with this. We counted out our crashing pattern here. Should be taking that out for a wave 7. Get us down into this area. Hopefully that 775 holds. Looking right here, it's also over at the top of the first wave. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that stuff. It is also over here. Let's do this at the top of the first wave. See? And then we have some other price action coming back in here, but hopefully that could be it then. We can bounce from there and go, guys. Like, we're so close, man. It's tough coming on here every day and talking about one more drop. We're going to go to this level. Like, that's not fun for me either, trust me. But I'm not here to hype you up constantly and just just have fun. We're here to learn, and we're here to be unbiased. And right now the unbiased move is it's coming down to here, whether we want it to or not. DXY catching a little bit of a bounce today. We don't need to go into that. Gold still looks like it wants to roll over. So again, maybe this thing just consolidates a little bit before doing so. It's it's going to be inverse to the stock market and stuff. So we're just going to have to see how that shakes out. Speaking of which, the futures over here on the right hand side, the Russell, pretty flat. The Dow Jones flat, NASDAQ flat, S&P flat. So markets honestly don't look like they know what to do right now. I know there's a lot of geopolitical conflict and stuff going on. Guys, I know everybody's freaking out, but I'm telling you, like, World War III is not happening right now. I'm not saying it won't ever happen, but right now, that's not it. Like, turn off the news. That's the biggest thing. Stop watching the news. It doesn't matter. We know where we're at in the charts. Stuff's going to happen. We're going to make our calls from there, and we're going to keep playing it correctly, guys. Like, we've been doing this. This channel's been around for a few months now, and we've been hitting all of the levels. Like, if we were playing swings, we would be, we'd be crushing it. We're not even to the fun part yet. Just wait. Just be patient. I know it's tough. It's been a tough 7 months of drawdown, but guys, I promise you the fun stuff is right around the corner. So you guys could do me a favor if you could follow, like, repost. Been doing TA a long time. Just want to help as many of you guys as I can. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great Wednesday.